Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to delete Hibernation file in Windows 10 and explain how this simple process can help free up disk space on your PC. Step 1. Click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen and type Command Prompt in the search box. This tool is a built-in Windows utility that allows you to run system-level commands, which is important for managing power settings like Hibernation. Step 2. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results and select Run as Administrator. Running it with administrator rights is necessary because changing Hibernation settings requires full system permission. Step 3. In the Command Prompt window, type powercfg h-off exactly as shown. This command disables the Hibernation feature and immediately removes the Hibernation file that takes up space on your hard drive. Step 4. Press the Enter key and wait for the command to complete. There will be no confirmation message, but the command works silently in the background to apply the changes. Step 5. Close Command Prompt and restart your PC to confirm the Hibernation file is deleted. Restarting helps ensure the new power configuration is fully applied and the file is permanently removed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.